Some repairs aren't just about fixing a phone. Some are about healing a memory. The phone belonged to a young boy who died in a car accident a few months ago. "This is the last thing I have of my son," his father said with tears in his eyes. His photos, his messages, even his voice and old voicemails, everything is on this phone. When he handed me the phone, I could see the shaking in his hands and the pain in his heart. The screen was broken, the frame was cracked. It was just like the heart of the father who gave it to me. This phone was brought by a father who had lost his world, and it was the last thing he had left of his son. He said, "It fell from my hand and broke, but I can't let it go. All my memories are here." The screen was completely black. The back cover was shattered like its heart. But beneath these fractures, memories lived that should not be lost. But today, we are here to relive his son's memories once again, so that the father can see his pictures again, hear his voice again, and maybe, just maybe, find some peace. I dedicate this video to all the parents who have lost loved ones and are still living with their memories.